Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can create a group chat on Messenger. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm gonna be showing you, alright? And basically what a group chat is like a group chat is a chat in which you can send a message to more than one person at the same time. So as you guys can see, this is my group chat called YouTube. It has 3 members. So if I send a message like this, then it's gonna be sent to all the member of the messenger, which means to both of the person. So if you want to relay a same message to a group of person, then creating a chat is very useful, because like you don't have to individually write them the same message, all right? And you can also call them, or like FaceTime 3 or 4 people or more than that at the same time. So that's basically what chats are on Messenger, and I'm going to be showing you how you guys can create it. So to create a chat, it's pretty simple. You can click on this pen icon at the top, click on it. You want to click on create new group, and you want to search for people who want to add. So let's say I want to add him, and I want to add him, and I want to add another person. I want to add him. So I want to create a group chat involving these 2 people. If I count myself as well, it's gonna be 4. So after choosing the person you want to add on the group, click on next, and you want to name the group whatever you want. So I'm going to name this, and then click on create. Wait for some time, and then boom, a group has been created. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can create a group chat on Messenger. So if you guys found this video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.